how to update Microsoft Office for free. So if you want to update your Microsoft Office for free, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open your Microsoft Office application. Like for example, I'll just simply go with Word. Go with your Word application. Once you're here, now this is the main page. On the left side, you will have a lot of options. You need to go with the account section, which will be on the left side. Once you go with your account here, as you can see that you have activation required, so it doesn't matter. Now you need to go with Office updates right here. So click on the Office updates option and now click on update now. So if you're not being able to update, then you need to make sure that you have activated your Microsoft Office. If not, then you won't be able to update your Office. So you need to go with update now, which is right here. And as you can see that in my case, it's the latest version of Office is installed in my computer. So if you have any updates, you need to just simply go and update it from here. That's how you can update your Microsoft Office for free. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.